Hey everyone, today I want to go through the basic layout of Adobe After Effects. When you open up Adobe After Effects for the first time, it's going to look something like this. This is the standard layout. First, let's look at this bar right here. So just like in most programs, we have the File, Edit. File lets you open new projects, close projects, import. Edit has copy, paste functions. Most of these things you can use shortcuts for, and it ends up being a lot faster. Most of the rest of these windows we'll go into more later. Composition, Layer, Effect, Animation, View, Window, and Help. So let's talk about the different boxes here. So this window here, you can see outlined in blue, is the Project Manager or Media Manager. When you import media such as videos, pictures, music, this is where it's going to show up. Also, when you create compositions, this is where they'll appear as well. This window is the composition window. This is going to be your main preview. If you see here, if I click on New Composition, there's these settings. I'm just going to hit OK for now. You can see we have a blank composition here. You can see it opened a blank composition, and over here in the project window, we have Composition 1 listed. Info will tell us different things about graphics or videos as we import them, and audio lets you adjust audio levels. The Preview tab gives you more control over previewing your video. You can hit play here, or you can hit the spacebar to preview, but this also lets you go back to the previous frame, or the first frame, the next frame, or the last frame. And then there's this tab here, the Effects and Presets. As you can see, there's lots of different preloaded effects and presets in Adobe After Effects. So there's lots of things that you can use straight out of Adobe After Effects to edit your project. Next we have the timeline, which is this whole box down here. This is where you'll take things that you imported into your video. You'll bring them down here into the timeline, or you can create directly onto the timeline. Like say I want to create a shape layer. Here's my shape layer. Generally by default it's going to span the whole length of my project. Another great thing about After Effects is that you can edit this layout in any way that you see fit. There are some standard layouts, so if you go up to Workspace, you can see this is a standard layout. There's also layouts for motion tracking or effects, or if you feel like something doesn't work where it's at, you can click the box it is and drag it to any one of these blue spots to rehome it. So maybe I want this preview button over here. Now preview's here. And I want my effects up here. So really you can move these different modules wherever you want. Now let's say I've moved these and I've decided that doesn't work. If you go back to Window, Workplace, and click Reset Animation, or whichever layout you have selected to saved layout, that'll move it back. You also can save whatever changes you've made to your own layout. So if you go Workplace, Save Changes to this workspace will overwrite the one that's already there, or save as new workspace. And that's just a quick tutorial on the layout of Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching.